Hello, in this video let's take a closer look at the template. And you can see in the previous video we have standardized this adventurer character, and if we open the mapping window you can see the character is mapped, and if we click the refined with this kind of the bone structure, the system will automatically find a template for this character. So if we input the same character or the character with the identical bone structure and names, our system can automatically find this template too. So let's do that, and let's open our sample file, G drive, and in the sample folder you will find there's the robot FBX folder, and if we click and drag this robot char into the 3D viewport, you can see we have imported and get the preview of this character, and let's open the mapping window. You can see this character has the same structure and the bone name of the adventurer, so our system automatically find a template which name is the adventurer template for this character. So at this time we can directly upload this character, and this character can merge with the other motions in our library arbitrarily. Let's upload this one, robot, and OK. And you can see, let's open the window, and we needed to click the save button because everything here, the mapping result and the T-pose, the standard pose, are read from the template, so we needed to click this button so that we can save the result to the scene itself. At this time we can merge this character with other motions in our library. For example, let's select any one of them. Okay, and then let's import an animation for this character with the template. So let's disable the merge tool and open the sample folder and drag and drop this robot animation attack to this window. At this time you can see we have already standardized this character, and there's the successful created general animation data on the bottom of the 3D viewport. And we have already introduced the reason of that. That's because this character has the template. And if we open the mapping window, and you can see, and our system can find the adventurer template for this character. So let's just directly click this upload button and import this animation to the library. And let's select another folder. For example, let's create a new one. Oh, sorry. Create robot, and click this import button. Okay, and you can see there is no stop sign on the top left corner. So that means this animation can merge with any one of the character in our character library. So let's do that and try that out. And let's enable the merge tool and select any one of the character, for example the adventurer or this Eli, the Mixamo character here. And with the merge tool we can export the FBX to the for example G drive AC resource, the AC sample, Eli motion test, and we can export an FBX with the specific character and the specific motion. Okay, let's click the save and disable the merge tool and go to the motion page and back to this one, Eli. And you can see we have the results motion file, the FBX motion file here. Of course you can upload this one to your library as you wish, but let's just skip that. And then let me introduce some of the other features of the template. If we select this robot and go to the mapping window, you can see that this pose is relatively different from the adventurer, and In most of cases it's okay, but in some cases if you are not satisfied that, you can modify that a little bit and save it as a new template. So let's do that. And for example, please only rotate the map the bone. Things like that. And the footer is okay. And of course, let's just make sure this one is in the standard pose. Something like that. And let's save this new pose, new standard pose, and the mapping result as a new template. For example, let's click the Save As in the robot template. At this time, if you click the refine, you can see it will automatically find this adventure template. But there's the robot template with the similar the relations with this character, and we can double click. You can see the differences is the pose. Because the T-pose sometimes is very critical when you import the animation, so sometimes you need to save the template for different type of the characters. And here, and let's close the window and go back to the sample folder and the robot. At this time, when you drag and drop this character to the 3D viewport, and you can see that our system will automatically still find the adventure template. That's because this adventure, the template is the above than this robot template. If you want to import a batch of the animations or character which you want to use the robot template, you need to temporarily block this adventure template. We can use this and block. Of course you can delete that, but at this time let's block it. Okay, if you block this one, our system will not find this template anymore. And you can see our system automatically finds the robot if you click this refined button. Okay, and let's close this and put this character to the 3D viewport again. You can see our system at this time automatically find this one. Okay, and let's continue and import another animation to the library. Go to the robots in the motion page, and here let's import in the robot animation defense. Let's just put that into the 3D viewport. At this time, you can see our system automatically find a template too, but if we open the mapping window, you can see the system is using the robot template at this time. Okay, this is the usage of this template, the block, and the Save As tool. And then let's import the animation. The robot fins. Okay. And then you can see our system use the robot template and import this animation. And of course it can merge with the character in our library if you enable the merge tool. And let's select the Laserman. And of course sometimes if you want to resume the template, you can go to the mapping window and select the adventurer and click the unblock, so that our system will automatically unblock that. And if you click this refined, you can see at this time our system will automatically find this one. Okay, this is the usage of the template in Animecraft. Thank you for watching. See you next time.